Welcome back to Forever Craft. Today we are going to be making an awesome, cute little toilet paper squishy. It's very cute and adorable. Plus, this has a very crunchy sound to play with it, which makes it very cute. So, what you will need for making this squishy is toilet paper rolls, of course. The next thing you need is clear tape. And then you need scissors. Okay, the pen is optional, it's for decorating. And then I have 3 sheets of toilet paper here. I'm gonna take one, okay? Now fold the paper as shown. After you fold your paper, you can cut it into any desired shape you want. I'm cutting into a very simple square shape. So here's the square paper that I've just cut off. There are like 2 pieces. Now, you will have the leftover piece of tissue papers. Don't throw them. We need them, of course. Okay, so we're not wasting anything, okay? Now you're gonna take your tape, clear tape, and stick it to it as shown. Now you're gonna stick the tape on the top of the paper, this part, so that there will be no holes, okay? Now we have done the front part. Do the same process for the behind part too. So this is the most important part. You have to leave a hole on that part like this so that you can stuff in some tissues like that, okay, for the next step. Have to cover the whole tissue paper with clear tape except for the small hole I said. Now is the time to take your leftover piece of tissue paper and tear it into pieces, small pieces like this one. You may have to take another sheet of tissue paper if it's not enough. So here's the tissue paper that I have just teared up. It's nice and all cured. So our next step is filling the tissue paper with the squishy bag. So do the following steps. It might be a bit hard, but try not to break your squishy bag. Our squishy bag is all filled with the tiered pieces of toilet paper, and now it's time for us to close it. It's a bit hard, but you have to deal with it because when you close it, all the tiered tissue papers are gonna try to come out, okay? So you're gonna close it with clear tape, and you're gonna close it very, very tightly, and there should be no holes on the end, because those holes on the ends, all the tiered tissue papers are gonna come out, and it's a complete mess. So here's this. So now I have cleared all those holes on the seats, and I'm gonna cut those, and it's all done. So our squishy bag is done. So here's the exciting part, the decorating part. I love doing this. So I'm going to decorate mine with a very simple googly eyes and a sad mouth. It's gonna be really fun. Our squishy is going to look really cute. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. It's like cuteness overloaded. Oh my gosh. So I'm playing with it, and it's very crunchy and squishy at the same time that it makes it so good. Wow. You guys have to make it, okay? Really nice. Really, really, really nice. I love this. So, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye!